Hey guys, in this video we will have a glance, or more appropriately we will see the mnemonics to learn the periodic table. First of all, let us know what does mnemonic mean. Mnemonic may be a word, sentence or poem used to help remember a rule or name. Here we will use it to learn complete periodic table. First of all, you should know that periodic table contains 7 periods and 18 groups and 4 blocks, that is S block, P block, D block and F block. We will learn S and P block group wise and D and F block period wise. So let's begin with S block group 1. It contains 7 elements and those are hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium and francium. And the mnemonic for this is Heli ne ki rab se faryad, where He is used for hydrogen and the symbol for hydrogen is capital H. Then Li is used for lithium and the symbol for lithium is Li. Then Na is used for sodium, which is represented by Na. And Ki is used for potassium and the chemical symbol for potassium is K. Similarly, Rub is used for rubidium and its chemical symbol is Ru. Se is used for cesium, which is represented by Cs. And Faryad is used to represent francium and its chemical symbol is Fr. Let us revise the complete group 1. Heli ne ki rab se faryad, that is hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium and francium. Now let's proceed to group 2 and the mnemonic for this is Beta mange car scooter baap razi, where beta stands for beryllium, which is denoted by Be. Mange stands for magnesium, which is denoted by Mg. Car is used for calcium, which is represented by Ca. Scooter is used for strontium, which is represented by Sr. Bap is the mnemonic for to represent barium, whose chemical symbol is Ba. And Razi is the mnemonic to represent radium, whose chemical symbol is Ra. So here the complete S block is done, which is the smallest part of periodic table. Now let us revise the complete S block once again. Group 1. The mnemonic is Heli ne ki rab se faryad. And the elements are hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium and francium. Group 2. The mnemonic for group 2 is Beta mange car scooter baap razi. And the elements are beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium and radium. Now I hope everyone is done with S block. Now let us start P block group 30. It is also known as boron family and the mnemonics to learn the boron family is Bangan, Alu, Gobi in Thela, where Bangan stands for boron, which is represented by capital B. Alu stands for aluminium, which is denoted by Al. Gobi stands for gallium, which is denoted by Ga. In is used for indium, which is represented by In. Thela is used for thallium, which is represented by Tl. So, here the boron family is done. Now, let us proceed to group 40. It is also known as crystallogens. And the mnemonics to learn crystallogens are Kahe Sita Ji Suno Prabhu, where Kahe is used for carbon, which is represented by capital C. Sita is used for silicon, which is represented by Si. G is used for germanium, which is denoted by Ge. Suno stands for tin, which is denoted by Sn, and Prabhu stands for lead, which is denoted by Pb. So here the crystallogens are done. Now we will get going to group 15, which is also known as nitrogens. And the mnemonics for this is New Zealand, Pakistan, Australia, sab bimar hai. Where New Zealand stands for nitrogen, which is denoted by capital N. Pakistan stands for phosphorus, which is denoted by capital P. Australia stands for arsenic, which is denoted by AS. Sub is used for antimony, which is represented by SB. Bimar is used for bismuth, which is represented by Bi. Now we will move to group 16, which is known as chalcogens. And the notation for group 16 is O Sise Tipo. O is used for oxygen, which is represented by capital O. S is used for sulfur, which is represented by capital S. Se is used for selenium, which is represented by Se. T is used for tellurium, which is represented by Te. Po is used for polonium, which is represented by Po. Now we will get going to group 17, which is known as halogens. And the notation for halogen is Phool Kaliya Bahar Aayi Aangan Mein, where Phool stands for fluorine, which is denoted by capital F. Kaliya stands for chlorine, which is denoted by Cl. Bahar stands for bromine, which is denoted by Br. I stands for iodine, which is denoted by capital I. Angan stands for astatine, which is represented by AT. Here we are done with halogens. Now we will move to last group, that is group number 18, which is known as noble gases, and the mnemonics for it is Hero never arrived, Kiran took X-ray of Rohan. Hero is used for helium, which is represented by Hg. Never is used for neon, which is represented by Ne. Arrived is used for argon, which is represented by Ar. Kiran is used for krypton, which is represented by Kr. X-ray is used for xenon, which is represented by Xe. Rohan is used for radon, which is represented by Rn. Now let us revise the complete P block once again. Group 13. The mnemonics for group 13 is Bangan, Alu, Gobi and Thela. And the elements are boron, aluminium, gallium, indium and thallium. Group number 14. The mnemonics for group 14 is Kahe Sita Ji Suno Prabhu, and the elements are carbon, silicon, germanium, tin and lead. Group number 15. The mnemonics for group number 15 is New Zealand, Pakistan, Australia sab bimar hai, and the elements are nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony and bismuth. Group number 16. The mnemonics for group number 16 is Os Se Tipo, and the elements are oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium and polonium. Group number 17. The mnemonics for group number 17 is Phool Kaliya Bahar Aayi Aangan Mein, and the elements are chlorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine and astatine. Group number 18. The mnemonics for group number 18 is Hero never arrived, Kiran took X-ray of Rohan, and the elements are helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon and radon. Now I hope that everyone is done with S and P block completely. In next video we will pick up D and F block. Till then, take care and stay tuned to Uncovering Chemical Science. Thank you for watching.